how to view all of the permission configurations in your Claude Code CLI. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can configure all of your permissions that your Claude Code CLI have. So in order to configure the permissions, what you're going to need to do is simply launch your Claude Code CLI. Whether you are doing it in your Windows PowerShell or somewhere else, the steps are almost identical. So what you're going to need to do is after launching your Claude Code CLI, simply type in a forward slash and then you can simply type in permissions. Now once you've typed in permissions, you can simply hit the enter button and from here you can manage all of the permissions. So in the allow list, it will show you all of the permissions that Claude has the permission in order to run these. Then you have the ask option where you can add a new rule so that Claude always asks before executing. So that is a permission that you can add. Then you have all of the deny permissions that you have denied, and you also have the workspace permission, as in which the Claude code can read files in the workspace and make edits when auto accept edits is on. So that's how easily you can manage and configure your permissions in Claude Code CLI. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.